गुड
Hi,
आफ्टरनून।
good afternoon.
उमा, बहुत
Congratulations.
बहुत मुबारक हो आपको, बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू सर।
हर जगह छाए हुए हो, भी इंटरनेट पे हर जगह नाम है आपका। मैं भी
हाय।
पढ़ ही रहा था न्यूज़ सारी।
हाय।
चारों लोग का एकदम नाम छाया हुआ है इस समय। बहुत बधाई हो।
उमा, कैसा लग रहा है आपको रैंक 3 पाके?
आई एम I am relieved, sir. That's it. That's the only feeling I have, relief. I was preparing for prelims on 28th, so I'm relieved that I don't have to prepare.
और डिड यू एक्सपेक्ट रैंक 3?
No, definitely not. I was worried, tensed that if I'll even get any rank, get rank 3. So
और
it's a shock.
उमा, इट वाज योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट?
No, sir, it was not. It's my fifth attempt, in fact. This is my second interview.
ओके,
This is
सेकंड।
second interview and fifth attempt. God, long journey.
Yes.
और आपका
Very long.
ऑप्शनल क्या
Very
था
long.
उमा?
Earlier it was geography. In this attempt, I changed it to anthropology. So I think anthro work.
बढ़िया।
So
और
you took a big risk, na, changing this optional.
Yeah, definitely. It was a very difficult decision to make after investing so many years in geography. But then I wanted a fresh start and a fresh look at the exam, so I did it.
Wow.
बढ़िया।
So today all the memories will be in your mind. First attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fourth attempt. Now,
Yeah.
how's the family reaction?
They're also relieved. They're
Really?
also happy.
Relieved is not a good word to use after getting all India rank 3.
But I feel that is what captures what I'm feeling right now, relief.
Great. उमा, आप किस स्टेट से हो, किस शहर से हो?
Telangana.
तेलंगाना से. So you're getting Hindi or should I continue in English?
I can understand Hindi. I can speak in Hindi.
That's a relief for me now. Yes, Sumit sir.
उमा, वैसे आपका 5वें अटेम्प्ट में हुआ, इतने सालों की जर्नी में आपको कैसा लगा? मतलब बीच में ऐसे भी मोमेंट आए होंगे कि लगा कि हाँ यार, बहुत मुश्किल साबित हो रही है तैयारी। तो क्या मतलब आप अपनी जर्नी शेयर करना चाहोगे? कैसे रही जर्नी 5वें अटेम्प्ट तक की?
Yeah, it was definitely not easy. It was very challenging. And there were many times that I questioned myself whether I can make it, whether I have it in me. But fortunately, my parents had this unwavering faith in me. Even when I did not think anything was possible, they always thought I was capable of clearing this. And my friends, they were always there to support me, motivate me. Again, everybody around me seemed to have believed in me more than I believed in myself. And I also have friends who cleared the exam earlier and who were a big gift, I would say. And with their help, I changed my strategy and I started working on what's important. But yeah, it was definitely a very challenging journey. But I think it made me who I am today. So I don't regret it, but it was challenging.
It's a great feat actually. And Uma, one thing, did you prepare from Delhi or from Telangana?
I prepared from home.
Okay. So you came here in Delhi for just giving the interview?
Yes. Initially, I was in Delhi for a few months, but I didn't feel that Delhi suited me. So I shifted back home and I started preparing from home.
Uma, as a common UPSC aspirant preparing for this is a very long journey, to be honest. Today we are talking, we are happy, we are smiling, and of course the environment is very friendly. But this has been a story of a struggle for 5 years. And a lot of UPSC aspirants, the common UPSC aspirants, find it difficult to believe on them for going for continuous attempt after attempt. And I've seen people 2 or 3 attempts, they are like, no, done, UPSC is not my game, I have to move on. Sometimes they see many of their colleagues, their friends taking jobs in different sectors and earning money, so they are demotivated by those factors. Does these things affected you too?
Yeah, definitely. They see, after 2 or 3 attempts and not clearing it, it's not going to be easy. Everything can make you insecure, unsettle you. And I went through all of that. There were periods of being very low, questioning myself, like I said. But then I believed in myself to some extent, And that's also because people around me were believing in me. And but I stuck to having a strategy, doing my hours in the day, finishing what I want to finish. Daily targets were my motivation. And I think in the initial attempts I was very serious, and I had no balance. So I kept my entire life on pause, and then I was studying all day, and it led to nothing. But after third attempt, I started, finding a balance in the preparation and in life. And I started playing sports, doing yoga, journaling, trying to work on myself as an individual. And then in this time, like in this period, I met people who cleared the exam, my seniors, and with help of one person, with his strategy, he helped me, and then I worked on it. So I would say it's just the whole support system was there for me. So it's 99% my support system, others' belief in me, and it's only 1% what I did, I feel.
So I was just asking that since today you have made it and you are happy, we all are happy, but for the past 4 years, you were not able to make it, or you were just missing it by chance, whatever maybe the reason. But you see a lot of aspirants would not have make it today also. So what message you have for them? Since you were there a lot of times.
Yes. First is try to understand where you're going wrong. This is the biggest mistake I did for very long, not trying to pinpoint where I was going wrong. Once I pinpointed where I was going wrong, the next step is to understand how to do it right. And I put my effort in that. And the third is the practice. So try to, we make a lot of mistakes, but we need to be very clear which is that mistake which is stopping us from getting marks. So pinpoint on your mistakes and improve on them. And secondly, surround yourself with people who are positive, people who believe in you, and people who are hardworking and motivating. Find the right peer group.
Yes.
And these two things, your mistakes, working on them is something you can do. Put yourself in the middle of the right peer group. I would say these.
A lot of times people try the same method to crack the exams again.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
That doesn't work. So it's not only hard work, you have to play smart, you have to realize your potential, realize your strengths. Particular friend is the kind of mentor you have. It feels like you have mentioned so many times about that person.
Yeah, almost like that. So.
And that is an important role in UPSC aspirant's life.
Yes. So having the right guidance.
Yes, definitely. So Uma, many congratulations. Today you must be getting a lot of calls, you must be feeling like celebrity today, and you deserve it. Definitely you deserve it. 5 years of hard work, and not 5 years, this must have took an entire life to be here. I understand that very much, and all the very best, and we are really proud to have you, and we're really proud to talk to you. Sumit sir, anything you want to add?
और उमा, आज ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा, बस लास्ट में 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं आपसे. एक चीज, पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत बड़ा रोल रहता है प्रिपरेशन में. ये कहा जाता है कि एस्पायरेंट्स के साथ साथ पेरेंट्स भी तैयारी करते हैं. तो आपके पेरेंट्स ने कैसे रोल प्ले किया तैयारी में?
Yeah, I think this is very important. Many times, parents do encourage children to go pursue civil services, but they don't understand that it's a long-term struggle and expect them to clear in 1 attempt or 2 attempts or whatever. But in my case, I'm really fortunate that my parents supported me throughout. In the last 5 years, there was never a moment when they doubted me or questioned me for not clearing or asking me to do some other, take up some other job to support myself. So they supported me from the beginning. And so I would say like 90% it's them. If everybody has the kind of support system that I have at home, my parents and my brother, then I think anybody will clear. So it's them, completely them. And that is what I want to tell, more than the students or aspirants, I want to tell the parents, their parents, just support them, have faith in them, support them no matter how long it takes. And you'll be surprised, like my parents are surprised today.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Parents should support the students, but actually society pressurize the parents. So they also sometimes feel helpless.
True.
And next question is 28 मई को प्री है, आप भी उसकी तैयारी कर रहे थे, you were also preparing for that. So now what message would you like to give to those aspirants who have to take exam on 28th May?
I would say stay calm for the last 1 week should be focused on staying calm and so that you can focus. Prelims is all a guessing game. Nobody knows more than 30-35 questions in the paper. But after that, after the 35, how you score marks is the game there. To play that game, you need to be very calm, very focused so that your memory can help you, your intelligence can help you. So just stay calm, shut yourself off social media or any media and be calm and believe in yourself.
See, Uma, all of us who wanted to make big in life, who wanted to do something, we all have some kind of motivation. Sometimes those motivations can be 2, 3, but more I talk to people like you, heroes like you, society's heroes like you. They always have some motivation, and there's a single motivation that they have for doing this. Or see, we all want to be the hero of our life, or whatever you say. So a hero of our life, be the hero of our film, be the star of our film. So what was your motivation to be here? What kept you driving?
So motivation to pursue this civil services is definitely my father. He is in the police department, and from a very young age, he planted this idea of civil services into me. And then he kept saying how it's a great platform to do, to have a great career and also do things for the society. It's an opportunity. It's a great opportunity. So this is my initial motivation. And then to continue, I think my parents' faith in me. And it also, at some point, it becomes a personal struggle. Like, why not this? Like, how can I not clear this? I have to clear this. So in between, that motivation became like a personal thing. I need to clear this. This cannot be. I'm being challenged. Something like. So it's a bit of both. I don't have any big motivating, inspiring story. This is.
It's a very inspiring story. Preparing from home, not taking any resources, planning your own strategy, being locked in the room 5 years, 5 attempts, not giving up. There's a great story. You're a great hero of the nation. What I call heroine, I don't know. So both genders are equal for me. That's not the point. We call hero people like you, right?
Okay, good. It was wonderful discussion, Uma, and a lot of congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it was really inspiring talking to you. All the best for building the nation.
Thank you.
All the best, Uma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.